My name is Ehsan. I'm taking a level 3 apprenticeship in Design and Draftsperson. I'm currently in my year 3 for a course that's 4 years and equivalent to A-levels. There was a lot of help from my school. I had a careers advisor who would generally have one-to-one meetings with everybody, and she enlightened us a lot about the different opportunities, like maybe T-levels or colleges, universities, and like apprenticeships and stuff. Applying was really seamless. The application was really easy to do, and you were constantly given email notifications by a provider in here to help you with the different steps. Things that need to be included in an apprentice application is definitely about your interests. I feel like a lot of the time people tend to think that's not very important and they might not include that, and it's always about the grades and how well you perform. But it really matters about you as a person as well and how you can evolve, because your personality is like the impression. It's almost like the first impression they will get from you, so it's really great to include what you like doing. My first day at the job, it felt quite scary, entering a proper building after maybe just being in a school where you're familiar with for the last 5 years. And there was a bunch of people also all in the same position as me though. That really helped, because it almost didn't feel like it was just for me. I came into a room originally and all the apprentices were all on like a table. We all had a chat before we met any of the staff anyway. So we got to know each other a little bit before we actually introduced ourselves formally, which was really good. You almost feel like how you did when you start school, and like there's so many rooms and I don't know where I need to go, or what if I don't make it here in time, but everyone's here to help and everyone's willing to tell you where to go and what to do, and it's a really friendly workplace. So at the college, I'm on day release, so I'm in the business for 4 days and I'm going to college for 1 day a week. And within that day, I have my lessons, which I'm provided to go to, and I get constant email notifications and messages on Teams about different things that might change or other things that need to be done. I've got continuous support throughout the company. I have my workplace trainer, which I have information I can provide to, and he also has every 10 weeks reviews where he comes into my workplace, where he's able to talk to my manager as well and kind of keep the workplace that we do here as well as college on the same page. So if there are things that I'm possibly doing at work which aren't being reflected as well in college, or vice versa, points can be shared across and then helped that way. There's a lot of corporate social responsibility that we do within the workplace. They're always fun to do. You always get to, because the way I was entered in was from word of mouth or going into schools and seeing what's fascinating about these companies. And I'm almost in the opposite position now, where I'm now maybe going to a school and showing maybe a student what pneumatics can do or what something can do. And it's really fun to be able to help them almost develop someone into something that they want to inspire them into. I've had a lot of personal gain from doing an apprenticeship. I've almost been treated more in the form of an adult, and I've taken away my life from being from school, where you're almost a student, to an adult workplace. And even in college, you're more referred to as an adult and you take responsibility for your own things. My advice to give to someone to do an apprenticeship is to don't overstress yourself. Honestly, it's already big enough as it is, moving from something like a school and now you're going into a workplace. And there's so many factors that you can get caught up on or feel like you need help with this and that. But you realize soon enough that everyone in the apprenticeship want you to succeed, and they're all helpful in the way you're moving forward.
To find out more, visit our apprenticeships page on our website.